LTO Examination Reviewer. Question number 3. An applicant for professional's driver's license should be at least A. 16 years old, B. 18 years old, C. 21 years old. Answer: B. 18 years old. Follow me for more video. Please like, comment, and share. Thank you.